Hi everyone, in this video we will solve a very easy level percentage question. The question says 0.5 is what percentage of 20, right? And there are four options: 0.25%, 0.025%, 2.5% and 25%. So let us solve this question. So now, obviously you know the definition. So if the question asks x is what percentage of y, right? It means this is my base. So we can rewrite this as x upon y into 100. Similarly, 0.5 would be my numerator and this is my base, so this would be in denominator and 100. If I take this decimal, then I will multiply by 10. Now we can solve 5 into 4, 0, 2.5%, right? Option C. Now can there be other methods as well? Obviously there can be, right? So let us solve by some other method. Now what we can do is we can try the percent. We can find, let's say 1%. So what would be 1%? So 1% would be 20 by 100, right? 0.2. Now using these values, we will try to go nearby 0.5. 0.2, can I take one more 0.2? So 2% would be 0.4, right? So 0.5. So let's say 0.5%. So this would give me 0.1, right? Now if I add these two, then I will get 0.5. It means I will have to add these two, 2% and 0.5%. So 2% plus 0.5% would give me 0.5. Means 2.5%. Option C. So this way also you can approach, but this was a very easy question, so I would suggest you to go by this method only. This approach generally is used when there are harder calculations and also used in data interpretation more. So you calculate generally 10%, 1%, 50%, 5%, right? So let me discuss a few things here that you can take away with this video. But you can, let's say a number is 500, right? So if I have to find 50% of number, 50% of number, what I will do is I will simply half this, right? So half of 10, so I will do 250. Let's say I am being asked 10% of n. So I will take 10 out, right? Or you can say I will place a decimal. I will place a decimal after one digit from right. So 50.0, obviously this will be 50. If I am being asked 5% of n, so there are two ways that you can approach. What you can do is you can calculate first 10% of n, then you can do half of this, so 25, or you can do 50% by 10. So I will place a decimal, I will go from right and I will place a decimal after one digit. So what I will do is 250 and I will place a decimal here, so 25, right? Another way, 1% of n, you will go from right and you will place decimal after two digits, right? So 500, I will start from here 1 2 and I will place a decimal here, so 5.00 is equal to 5. So these are some percentage values that you should know how to calculate fast, because these are easy to find, right? For 50% you can simply half the number. For 10% you simply have to place a decimal from right side after one digit. For 5% again, either by 50% or using 10% you can find. And for 1% again it is very easy, you can place a decimal from right after two digits. So if you approach the questions this way, then this would be saving you time, right? So let's meet in some other videos. We will discuss more such questions. Thank you.